Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So the result for round 1 MCC counseling is published after cancellation of the first round result. And I'll tell you my views and you have the figure. There is a little mistake here. Instead of UR, OBC and EWS 2021, you need to understand it as the cancelled cutoff, the cancelled round or cancelled allotment cutoff. So I'm giving a comparative view how it is different from the cancelled cutoff, okay, branch wise. So this time it worked like you got kind of mock allotment, and based on the mock allotment you knew that this is possible in your rank and you rearranged it. Mainly candidates who were willing to get government seats, okay, they had done the changes, okay. So there is definitely negative shift as expected in all India quota, and in DNB also there will be negative shift. I will share the video soon. We won't expect that much negative shift in deemed universities because they were particular about their fees and all, okay. So where they made mistake in the choice filling, they corrected it after kind of like getting the mock allotment which got cancelled. So in radio diagnosis it was same for UR category, but for OBC category from 4006 it went up to 3759. For EWS from 4539 to 3754. So we take any branch, dermatology, okay, except EWS has the same cutoff, but for UR and OBC, it is negative shift. So why there is negative shift? The negative shift because in round 1, many candidates don't take it seriously and they do random choices or don't fill the choices up to the fullest, or you can say extensive choice filling. So the colleges, they missed it, okay, and they knew that okay, this college was available to the ranker who are below them, so they added those options also. So in case someone who stand before you in the rank, they do the changes in the choice filling, and due to that change the seat that you got is allotted to them, and when the server comes to your rank they won't find that seat available, so you won't get the particular seat. So that's how the negative shifting went ahead, okay. Talking about general medicine, around 200 of negative shift in UR category, and similarly 200 negative shift in this OBC category, but you can see positive shift in EWS category. In general surgery, there is negative shift in every category. In pediatrics, there is negative shift in all the categories, okay. OBGY surgical subject, you can see negative shift around 1000 in all the categories. In respiratory medicine also we can see negative shift. So nowhere you can find positive shift, everywhere in all the branches, all the categories there is negative shift. Talking about pathology, which went up to 30,000, now it has come down to 28,242, and similarly for OBC and EWS categories. I'll share the similar videos for diploma, DNB and deemed universities, so that you have got an idea. Those who are still waiting for, because the state rounds also got extended, I'll share a kind of like a status tracker video which I do update in subsequent videos, okay. So you can keep a watch, and 9319128677 is the number where you can contact us for paid assistance, okay. So that's it from my side in this video. You can take a screenshot of it and you can do the observation. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.